Namaste everyone. Today we are going to discuss about CSV reading in Python, how to read CSV file in Python. So today what we'll do before starting or creating the CSV file, first you have to ensure that CSV file is there, CSV file reader module is there in your system or not, that you have to check first. So first we'll check how to install that the CSV module, and second we'll create the CSV file, and third we'll read the CSV file from the Python program. So let's start the video. First you have to go to the command prompt like this, and then you have to type pip install CSV. Make sure that internet connection is on. If file package is already available or is already there, then it will not allow you to install that, and if it is not there, it will allow you to install that. Okay, so you can check over there on the website as well, where pip is the command where you can use uh, pypi.org. From there you can download CSV if you type. So there are a number of CSV things are there, but you can download the CSV module from there. So for downloading, you can click on pip install CSV, and the CSV module will be installed for you. Once that is there, that is ready. So you can check it with the idle prompt. So in idle, what we can do is we can say import CSV. If import CSV is not throwing any exception to you, that means CSV is already imported and CSV module is there in your program. So this is the one step that you have to make sure before going to learn about CSV. So in my machine, CSV is already available. Module is already there, so I will be using that. So now I will go to the you know uh, IDE. I am using VS Code for this. What I will do, I will create a CSV file here. So I am creating contacts.csv and writing some data into this. So better I will open this CSV, open, I will go to the open with, and then if it is there, okay, if it not, nothing is there. So what I will do, I will go to the Explorer, revert to the file explorer, and then contacts or CSV. Mostly the CSV file you can open with Excel. Excel is the best application through which you can open the CSV. What I will do, I will write some line of contacts over here, like SL, then name, then contact. Then SL is one, name is Richard, and some number, contact number two, Rahul. The contact number is this one. Julie, the contact number is something like this. Fourth, uh, Kamal is the name. I am putting some contact number of that particular person also. Now I will save it. So once I will save, all the contacts will be saved as a CSV file. Okay, and the same place I am just saving it as a CSV command, comma delimited. It is already there. Contacts and save. So it will save. Now the next task is to, now see that CSV is already available in front of you. It came from that particular place only. Now what I will do, I will create a Python file, read CSV contacts dot py. Okay, now in this Python file, I will first import CSV. The next work is to create the file object fh equals to open, then create the file object. So in this particular file object, I have to call this file contact.csv, and then comma read mode. I'm opening it in read mode. See, those person who are having already the concept of file handling, they will be easily understanding this. Uh, and I am creating the file handler with the open function. This is what the file name, and this is what the mode, file mode. So if you want, I will create a separate video for the text file editing or reading. But right now, this much is for you. The file handler has been created, or the file object has been created. Now I'm creating my CSV reader. Yeah, my CSV reader. Suppose I'm putting the name CSV reader equals to CSV dot. You have to create the reader object by passing the file object. So file object is fetch reader, function will create the reader object. Now in this, the reader object will be having all the data associated to the contact.csv file. So now next task is to read that. For I in A in CSV reader. So now each and every single record will come up in A. I am just printing the value of A. So you will be able to see the data which is there in the contact.csv. So I am running it out in the terminal. Let's see. Yes, it's came. Now see this. SL raw name and the contact. This was the header, and first was the Richard, Rahul, Julie, and Kamal. Where the record, whose record were there in the particular CSV file. So this is how you can read this. This is very much simple code. You have to import the CSV file, then you have to create the file object. Then from the file object, you have to create the CSV reader object, and the reader object will be associated to the CSV file. All the records you can read row by row. Each and every row will be coming up with the. You can iterate by using the any of the variable, like I used A over here. Next, what I will do is I will add some more record into this. So I am adding CSV file 5 and some contact number. Okay, one more record I will add. So this is how the another record has been added. Last record is Rajesh, so I am adding it out. Now once it is added, try to read it using Python. So if everything goes well, then the last record Rajesh will come up. Yes, last 6 record Rajesh has come up uh, in the terminal. So this is how you can read the CSV file. In next video, I will try to write the CSV file, write some data onto the CSV file. There are some additional things you have to learn for that. So in that particular video separately, I will talk about how to write the particular data into the CSV file. So till now, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do write comment over there on the video, and like and subscribe the video, so that I can get motivated to make some such kind of video, such kind of educational video for you. So till now, bye bye. Thank you.